Yeah, hi all. Good morning. So let's start today's class. So as part of yesterday's class, we learn about couple of commands. So what are all the commands we have learned? So we learn about we learned about commands called not sort command. So yesterday we learned about paste command. So along with paste command, we also learn about split command, and we also learn about head and tail also, and more and less as well. So these are the commands what we have discussed. So as part of yesterday's, today we are going to discuss about another command called translate, and we'll also discuss about compare and diff. And after completion of that, so we'll discuss about a few more commands related to file level operations. Today we'll try to cover majority of file related operations, and even we're also having a tar, antar, jeep, gunjeep, and even we're also having a jeep, unjeep, compress, pack. So the va, vu, still all these are file related commands only. And along with that, we're also having so few more commands called awk and sed as well. Awk, sed, and even find also. So after this, we'll also discuss about find. So once you learn all these commands, you will be having some idea. So we can able to perform any kind of operations in file. So that is a different story. So what we do is today's class will be more, we are more focusing on the TR command, CMP, diff and sdiff. So before moving to further, if you are having any doubts on yesterday's class, what is a head command does at high level, head command displays top 10 lines from a file. Tile command displays last 10 lines from a file. Even by default number is 10. If you want to display more number of lines, we can pass head hyphen 20 30 or tail hyphen 20 30. And even we can also fetch we can also get the lines 30 to 40, some not only from beginning and ending, in between also we can able to extract with by using head and tail combinations. And that is about head and tail. And if there is a log file, and that if there is a file, and that file is continuously we are continuously getting the data, and you want to you want to view that latest data which is inserting into the file, then we can use hyphen f. Hyphen f means to follow the outputs. Follow the output means whatever the output you are trying to get, whatever the new data is loading into the file, so it follows that output, which means that that data will display on a screen. And similarly, we also discuss about the paste command. Paste and split are straightforward. So what we can achieve with the paste and split. So with help of the paste, we can able to paste. We can able to merge the two files content as a single file content, either parallelly or serially. That we don't use it much. Whereas basically we go with a paste command if you want to combine three lines as a single line, or a number of lines as a single line, then we go with this paste command, just a paste hyphen d. So what, which delimiter you want to do, without a delimiter also we can achieve it. Just how many lines you want to make it a single, those many hyphens, then less than that file name, then greater than to the new file name. So these are the, and split command also. So the split command is used to split the file based on that number of lines, equal number of equal number of lines, equal number of size, and based on the size, these are the different options. We learn about split command. So as I said that we always use the split command when you are trying to transfer, when you are trying to download a file, or when you are sending a file to someone from our Linux system, or if you are downloading, mainly when you are trying to send a file from our Linux server to some other servers, or if you are trying to upload it on some websites and all. So if there could be some limitations. So in order to avoid, in order to honor the network configurations, network limitations, according to the organization, according to the standards, then if the file size is like 10 GB or 20 GB, 1 TB, we can't directly transfer that much of size. It doesn't support by the network properly. So what we do is we split the files, and okay, file by file, okay, we upload it. Those are the so major functionalities of okay split command. Split allows us to okay do all kind of okay we can able to okay split either by using either by using either split we can able to okay achieve it either by using size or okay number of lines, and okay even along with okay number of lines, even equal number also. For example, hyphen name is equal size and number of lines okay based on the okay size if you are going with the size b blocks, and L means number of lines, N means equal. So these are all the commands what we have discussed on okay, yesterday. So even more and less also, whenever you are okay, viewing the file content, so more we don't use much. We always use the less command because less command supports okay, navigation keys and searching, and majority of if we are I mean we are going to learn about VI. So whatever the options we are having on UI, the majority of options supports by the VI. See, as of now, I didn't, I mean, we haven't learned about how to modify the file. So if there is a file, if you want to modify the content, that we haven't learned. As of now, we are creating a new file or we are appending the data. Whenever if you want to modify the data, so in order to modify the data, we need to learn about okay, VI. So that in order to learn about VI, it may take a couple of days time. I mean, minimum 1 day is needed. So probably tomorrow or day after tomorrow, we touch that okay, VI command. So, but simply, um, that is the main usage of VI. So, okay, whatever the options are having on VI, the same options we can use it as part of okay, less command. Okay, because less is having a less also supports all those command line options. So, okay, we can make use it. So, what kind of operations mainly we go with more command, less command. We can we can move the content page by page, line by line. We can also if you want to go up we can go, if you want to go down we can go down, if you want to search a string we can either forward directions or reverse directions, all kind of things okay we can able to achieve it. So all kind of things okay we can able to achieve it by using this by using this more okay less command. That's why so less is one of the okay more okay powerful. That's why less is one of the okay more powerful okay command. And apart from that, so okay today we are going to jump about okay tr command. So before moving to that okay tr command, if you are having any doubts, let me know. So I will try to okay clarify. So no doubts. Okay. Now, so today's topic will be tr, cmp, and diff. We'll try to finish okay all these tar commands and all. So when it comes with okay tr command, so tr is also one of the okay powerful command. So what we can achieve with tr command is the name itself okay translate. The name itself it is a so translate. What do you mean by translate? So if there is a file, okay, if there is a okay file, so if you want to okay translate, so Unix is a case sensitive, right? So the major operations with okay translate is if you want to translate, if you want to okay, convert the text from lowercase to uppercase and uppercase to lowercase, and okay, if you want to change the okay delimiter, either okay, fields delimiter or new line delimiter, or if you want to okay, or if you want to okay, remove the okay, I mean if there is a text, so from the given text okay, if you want to okay, remove the okay numbers, or if you want to keep the characters, so majority of okay operations okay we can able to okay achieve with okay tr. So tr is straightforward. So translate. The syntax of the tr is okay tr okay then options okay tr okay options. So okay options okay operations and okay less than file name. So tr is a command. For the tr command we must have to use the less than symbol. So okay if you are not using the less than symbol, tr command okay cannot recognize the okay, cannot recognize the options, cannot recognize the okay file name. So remember that tr is the only command. So we need to pass less than before the file name. So not only for this, I mean for every command, if you are passing as a file as an input, by default it is having less than, but tr command explicitly look for the less than symbol. If you are not passing as less than symbol, so it will throw the exceptions. So I will show you that. For example, if you go with tr hyphen hyphen help, so if you go with tr, these are all the options on tr. So tr options set one, set two. So what are the main operations we can able to perform with tr? We can translate. Translate means so converting from lowercase to uppercase to lowercase, and squeezing. So if you want to assume that you are having multiple empty lines, you want to remove that one empty lines, or if you are having a multiple words on the same, so if you want to squeezing the text, and squeezing in the sense like either removal of duplicate lines or removal of duplicates, so those kind of things will be part of squeeze. And delete the characters, for example, so whatever the characters, or you want deleted numbers, or you want to remove control m characters, for all these options, we go with tr command. So the major options of tr commands are hyphen c, so use the complement of set one, hyphen d, so delete the characters. If you are using with hyphen d, it deletes it. If you use the hyphen s, it squeeze the repeats, as I said that. So replace the each input sequence of repeated character. So I mean set one and set two. So the syntax of the tr command is, so tr options, so operations. These operations are in set one and set two. And then less than standard input, whatever the input you are providing, and hyphen t. So what is the meaning of hyphen t? First truncate set one to length of set two. So these are the majority of options. So even as part of options on tr command is, but as part of options on tr command. So I'm saying that we are having the, so translate. What is the first option, which is a translate? So while translating, so we can use this backward slash a, audible bell, so backspace. So we don't use that much, but so we always use for example, like if you are trying to use colon alpha numeric, so all letters and digits. So if you want to specify as alpha numeric, all sets and digits. So ALNUM. AL alpha means only alpha letters, the blank lines, control characters, digits. Then all printable characters, not including the space. Only all lowercase characters. So all printable characters, including the space. So all punctuation characters. These are the different options what you are having. So even as part of tr command, the tr command can take input as a file, or it can also take input as from previous command. Also it can also take the input as some previous command. So for example, so ls hyphen lrt, so let's take an example of this guy ls hyphen lrt, so pipe. We can also use tr. So wherever there is a small letters, if you want to convert into that if you want to convert it as uppercase, so a hyphen z, and capital A hyphen capital Z. So here in order to understand, so we already learn about one special character, which is pipe symbol. What is the intent of pipe symbol? To transfer the previous command output as an input to the next command. Similarly in Unix, so hyphen represents the range. So hyphen represents the range. What do you mean by range? The range in the sense like, so a hyphen z, which means that all small letters a to z replace with capital letter a to z. So wherever there is a small a, replace with capital A. Wherever there is a small b, replace with capital B, or c, capital C. So a hyphen z means a to z. So wherever we are having a small case character, replace with uppercase characters. That is the intent of this line. So tr a hyphen z, and if the, for example, if you try to use this character, the everything will be in a capital letter. If you observe this, if you observe here, the everything is in capital letters, everything is in capital letter. So here what are trying to achieve? So if you are having a character, if you are having a small case a, it will replace with uppercase A. So B, capital B, C, capital C, like that it will be replaced total. So earlier it was in small case, right? We are trying to replace with we are trying to replace with uppercase. Whereas for example, if I mention A to A to D, so if I mention again A to D, so A to D, so which means that capital small a will replace with capital A, small b will replace with capital B. So you can see the differentiation. So wherever there is a small a, it replaces with capital A, and so you can see the differentiation. You can see the differentiations, and similarly. So if you go with capital A hyphen capital A hyphen capital Z to small a hyphen small z. So in this case, what it does, wherever there is a small uppercase characters, it will replace with it will replace with small case characters. And even we can also use the same command for example, let's go with inside for example, let's take so this guy cat. So test this one. So now, so for every command, for example, if you go with more, less, and all, we use without of less than symbol. We use it. Whereas if you go with paste command, you will get exception. So extra append paste one dot txt, which means that you have to use the, so we have to use this less than symbol. We have to use this less than symbol. So if you use this less than symbol, wherever I mean without of less than symbol, we cannot pass it as a input. We cannot pass it as input. We cannot pass it as input. So if you go with this pattern, wherever there are small case characters, it replaced with replaced with small to uppercase. In a same command, so in a same command, if I want to replace comma with if I want to replace comma with pipe symbol, we can also use it. So wherever there is a comma, it will replace with pipe. So the tr command, so the main intent of the tr command is, so if you are not passing any inputs, if you are not passing any inputs, so what we can do, so here we are trying to convert wherever there is a comma, we are trying to replace it as with pipe. We are trying to replace it as a pipe, but the operations with tr command as temporary. So again, so it will only display it on a screen. So whatever the operations you are going to perform with tr command, we can't and the basic by default it won't make changes permanently on the same file. It will just display the content on screen. It will just display the content on screen. That's it. So now in the previous command here, we have converted small case to uppercase and uppercase to small case and comma to pipe. Like this, with any character or with any set, we can replace with one text with so another text, one text with so another text. So any doubts on here with the tr commands? I mean whatever we as of now these three options. So as I said that we can also pass it as echo command. So we'll discuss about echo. So for example, assume that so from the same command, so from the same command, if you are going with small a to small, we can also make it as, so wherever there is a small case, so it will replace it as uppercase. If the character is small case, if the character is if the character is small letter uppercase, it ignores it. It ignores it. So hello, India. So similarly, so for example, if you want to, for example, if I use the same character, so the same thing, hello India, hello India, 1 2 3. So again, one, two, three. Assume that. So your lines or your file contains this kind of text, this kind of text. So here, so if you use hyphen d option, hyphen d means delete. Hyphen d means delete. So what you are trying to delete? So in this option, if we go with hyphen d option, what is the intent of hyphen d here? To delete the characters in set one. Don't translate. So don't translate it. So by default behavior is translate. So okay, ignore the translate behavior. Now go ahead and okay delete, okay, go ahead and delete the so characters. So if you go with okay this option, so okay hello India only, okay, we'll get it. So hello India. So wherever we are having in numbers, that numbers will be okay, that numbers will be okay deleted. So for example, okay, if we are having so for example, okay, if you are having okay, hello India, I mean, so there is a, and okay, here also okay, and okay, here also okay, we are having a repetitive characters. So we are having the so repetitive characters. So wherever there is a having a repetitive characters, so if you want to squeeze the repetitive characters, now I want to squeeze the repetitive characters. So in this case, if we are having a same character, for example, the A is repeated okay four times. The A is repeated okay four times. Now I'm going to make it as a single A. 1, 2, 3 A, and okay hello okay. I mean wherever we are having a multiple A's, okay, it is trying to okay delete. So for example, okay, if you are okay, I mean still, so if you want to okay remove that okay numbers, so we can also mention okay 0 hyphen okay 9. So in this case, numbers also will be okay deleted. In this case, numbers also will be okay deleted. So this is the functionality of hyphen s. Hyphen s means it will squeeze the repetitives. It squeeze the okay repetitives. And okay, for example, so okay, if you are all okay, we're already having a file called this guy, right? Cat this one. So in the same file, so in a same file, so okay, for example, okay, tr hyphen d less than, then okay less than of okay this paste statement dot txt. So wherever there are numbers, all the numbers are okay, all numbers okay, it removed all okay numbers. Whereas okay, if you want to okay replace, now assume that you want to replace all commas with so all commas okay, if you want to replace so if you just use okay hyphen d, so okay okay, it removes the, so okay, it removes okay spaces as well. So if you want to remove that so we can also mention okay d okay 0 comma minus and comma. So in this case we are only extracting, so okay we are only okay extracting, so okay, we are only okay extracting the, we are okay deleting okay all the okay numbers. So similarly, if you want to get delete, so similarly okay, if you are having a file, so if you want to okay delete okay only the alpha numbers, so we can okay we can use okay this option. So for example, okay, if you go with okay this option, so okay alpha digits instead of okay hyphen 0 hyphen 9, if I use okay alpha number, so it will delete okay here. So okay, all letters and okay digits will be okay deleted, and okay alpha, so all letters. So this way okay we can able to okay, I mean all letters and okay digits. So print okay, if you want to display only the okay, printable characters, we can also okay use this okay print and okay other options. But these other options okay we don't use it much. So this way we will try to so delete the okay operations. So for example, assume that, so we are already okay having a okay file. So assume that, so okay we are having a okay file called a123. So that let's take it as okay same file. So okay, for example, okay tr. So wherever there is a okay, wherever there is a comma, wherever there is a comma, so you want to okay put it in a okay new line character. So backward slash n. So okay comma, and okay backward slash n. Okay, then okay less than okay file name. So you see the okay magic. So what is the okay earlier okay, wherever there is a comma, so what is the backward slash n? Backward slash n is a new line operator. So backward slash n is a new line operator. So okay, if you want to okay, replace with the new line characters, then this one. Whereas for example, okay, if you go with okay r, so what r does? So okay what r does? So if you go with okay cat paste.txt, so okay 3 4 okay 6 3 4 okay 6 3, which means that only the last character okay last field okay we are able to extract by using this okay by using this backward slash okay r. And okay, for example, if you go with okay t, it will be a horizontal okay tab. So if you go with okay v, so which is a vertical okay, for example, okay t means, so okay horizontal okay what okay this is a okay vertical, and this is the okay, horizontal, like this it will display the so output nothing. So there is a space between okay each, and it will display the output. Wherever there is a comma, it will try to so behave that okay options. and okay, from feed, okay, this and all not needed. So okay, even we can also perform okay majority of operations. So for example, okay, there is a okay text. For example, echo, okay, hello India. So okay, hello India. Okay, hello India 1 2 3. So we are having all special characters. Okay, all special characters. Okay, we are having it. All special characters. So okay, we are having it. And okay, okay, 908 like that, there are okay many special characters are having. So from this special, okay, now your requirement is you want to, okay, you want to, okay, you want to display only the, you want to display okay only the numbers and characters. So you want to okay, you want to keep only numbers and okay characters. The special characters, okay, you want to remove all the printable or non-printable characters, you want to remove it. So in this case, if you go with okay tr hyphen d, so okay tr hyphen d, if you go with okay a hyphen okay z, okay a hyphen z, then capital A hyphen capital Z. So this is the set one, right? So in this case, so okay, in this case, okay, what are trying to achieve? We are trying to okay achieve it. Okay, I mean only the special characters are only okay, the special characters are only displaying, and okay the okay all A to Z, capital A to Z, all of them have okay been okay removed. So so for example, in the same okay in the same output, for example, okay, if you go with okay same output, if you mention, so for example, okay here, if you mention okay 0 okay hyphen 9, so 0 hyphen 9, so okay, I mean that okay, the okay, I mean all the characters, small case, uppercase, and okay, even special characters, everything is okay, everything is okay, everything is okay deleted. Whereas okay, I mean in reverse order, if you keep okay hyphen c, so if you keep okay hyphen c, what it does is it will as a complementary, so as a complementary, so as a complementary, it keeps all of them, it will remove the remaining things, it will remove the okay, it will remove that okay, okay, it will remove the okay remaining okay remaining okay things. That is the okay use, that is the so intent of okay, that is the okay intent of, that is the okay, intent of okay this okay tr hyphen capital C hyphen capital okay d. So like this okay, there are okay many options. For example, okay, if you go with okay this option tr hyphen C capital D, so hyphen C means complementary, we are trying to keep, and okay we are removing okay all other okay characters. And even if you want to okay translate the okay, options, so okay abc2 with okay, I mean not only with so the other advantages are, so for example, okay, we're having okay, this we already discussed. So for example, okay, let's take it as okay, this file characters.txt, not only this one, sorted data. So okay, from this file, so if you want to replace, okay, if you want to okay, replace AA with some other characters, or okay TR, okay AA, so the same way. So we can okay, not only that. So wherever if you want to okay, replace with okay some other character, so then okay less than okay, then less than okay, sort.txt. So wherever there is a okay AA, small AA, it will replace with okay capital okay capital capital that, so details. That is the so okay intent of okay okay AA, it will replace it as okay, wherever there is a it will replace with okay, capital letter okay A. That is the main functionalities of this okay tr okay command. And okay, even in tr command, so we can also use okay multiple places. So let us know that I will try to execute history command, I will keep some time. So if you're having any doubts on okay any line number, let me know. So mainly tr command is used to translate. So the options are hyphen c as a complementary, keep it, hyphen d delete, don't perform the translate, and okay, okay, along with that the remaining things, so we are also having a okay options. Now let's consider. So LS-LRT, I have okay something in okay small case, something in okay capital case also. Russia is in capital letter. Okay, RAM first file is in capital letter. Now I have a requirement that I want to convert. So I want to convert small case to uppercase. Small okay all small case to uppercase. Okay, I want to okay convert. So this is the command okay we're having. Whereas if I want to convert, so if I want to convert small case letters to capital case and capital case letter to small case, capital letter to okay small case, vice versa. Wherever there is a small case, convert it as a uppercase. Wherever there is a uppercase, and okay, if you want to okay, if you want to okay display okay, if you want to display if you want to interchange the characters, then what we can do is we can also mention capital A hyphen capital Z and small a hyphen small z. What is the meaning of this guy? See, wherever you are having a small a, replace with capital A, and okay, similarly the same thing. And wherever there is a capital A, replace with okay small a. This way also we can able to so convert. So now Russia is complete in okay lowercase. So this is also one of the okay. I mean, I want to tell what are all the options okay are having on so TR commands. What are the options are having on okay TR commands. Sometimes you may get if you are appearing any online exams, there you may get interview question. How do we convert uppercase to lowercase, lowercase to okay uppercase? So as part of this sequence text, okay, we can okay use it. So A to Z and capital A to capital Z and command okay this way. Here, wherever there is a small a to capital A, small b to capital B. Similarly, capital A to small a and capital okay Z to okay small z. Sorry. So these are the okay major okay functionalities of okay tr command. Now I have another okay requirements. For example, okay I have a file called cat.india.txt. So this india.txt. So this india.txt. Now I have a requirement that I want to count. So I want to count each character. So for example, if you're having a word, so here also the word, here also the word. There are okay India. So now I want to okay now I want to okay I want to count okay I want to count the number of okay occurrences number of okay occurrences of okay each word okay in a given okay file. So okay the file could contains n number of okay the size doesn't matter, but my requirement is I want to display how many times the keyword bharat is repeated, India how many times, million how many times, countries how many times. I want to display okay those numbers. I want to display those okay numbers. So in such cases, then okay how we can okay achieve one okay, here is, so we already know that. So with help of tr command, wherever there is a okay space, okay, we are trying to convert into the okay Newland characters. This functionality we already discussed. Wherever there is a space, we are trying to okay wherever there is a space, okay we are converting from upper okay, wherever there is a space, we are putting it in Newland character. So after this, we can use. So after that, so okay we can use okay we can use the sort command, sort hyphen okay I. What is the intent of sort hyphen I? Sort hyphen I means it will consider everything in a small case, it will consider everything in a okay small case. For example, sort hyphen hyphen help. So what is the meaning of okay hyphen I? So if you want to okay ignore the case sensitive, so ignore okay non-printing, so consider only the, so ignore okay I mean if you want to ignore the okay cases, so ignore the cases like hyphen f, sorry, so we need to use the, so hyphen f means to ignore the okay case, so we can able to ignore the okay case. So after that we can also use the simply the unique command, you can also use the simply so unique command. So okay unique hyphen okay c. So we already learn about, so you need to be think okay for example in this requirement. So whenever if you are I mean appearing for any exams and all, you need to check first you need to understand the question. The question is, if there is a file, you want to identify how many times each character okay each word okay repeated, how many times each word is repeated. So what we can do that? So okay, with help of tr command, wherever there is a space, it's a word, right? We'll put it in a new line. After keeping it to the new line, so okay, use okay in order to do that, tr is the one command. We're also having a set command. You can also use the set command. And okay, then if you want to count it, so you can count the number of occurrences of each word or each line by using the unique command. So by using the hyphen c option. Whereas if you want to get a better results with okay, unique command, we have to use the sort command. So in sort command, so which is the case sensitive hyphen f. So hyphen f and unique hyphen c. So now we can able to so clearly okay see so how many times okay each word is okay repeated. So each word is okay repeated. Now, so from the same example, now I want to sort the data. I want to sort the data based on the first field. Sort hyphen n okay sort hyphen okay nr. So what is this one? So it will sort the data in so ascending order. It will sort the data in okay numeric sort. Okay, n means numeric sort, r means okay reverse order. So in this case, so okay in this case, so okay the 140 times the okay we got the keyword called okay the. Now this is the default behavior, right? So for example, if you want to change the okay, if you want to change cat hyphen okay f, so cat hyphen okay d, so hyphen f, so hyphen f 2 comma 1, so 2 comma so 1, so capital F okay here, so capital okay, I mean cut command, so d is the so okay delimiter, then okay hyphen f okay 2, so hyphen f 2 and okay comma 1, that's fine. So okay, let's review about this one. So this way we are trying to get the this one, whereas the same command we can also use the pipe command and we can also use the head command. So if you go with head command, we can able to get so okay, we can able to get okay top 10 lines. Whereas okay if you want to get okay last 10 lines, we can also use the tile command. So here we can able to see the okay real usage of okay pipe symbol. So we are trying to display the output, the same output we are giving to the tr command, and whatever the okay, after that we are using the sort command to sort the data. Okay, I mean to sort the data and ignore the case sensitive, and we are using the unique hyphen c command to count the number of occurrences of okay each. Then the same output we are forwarding to the sort command. So based on the first field, it has to do the okay numeric sort in reverse order. Then we are using the head and okay tile. So these are the so okay pipe is the very important okay feature which is available in Unix, where if you want to okay where if you want to okay where if you are okay I mean where if you are trying to if there is a real requirements, we can continuously so do that. So or if you want to count okay how many words are there, we can also use the wc hyphen okay l. This is how we can able to so use the pipe symbol and okay tr command. So I hope it's clear for okay, everyone. So whatever the options. Now you got the real usage of. So you already know about cat command. You already know about tr, sort, unique, sort, and okay tile. So depends on the use cases. We can go ahead and okay use this okay pipe symbols. So any doubts on okay here? Say yes or no. That's what tr is one of the lengthy command. So there are lots of options on okay tr command. Okay. I hope it's clear for okay everyone. Let's use the okay, history pipe okay grep pipe I okay tr. So we'll always use this okay commands. So any further doubts? It's a simple and okay, straightforward only. Mainly, whenever you want to, okay, if you want to replace the text from uppercase to lowercase to uppercase, and remove the characters, and what for those purposes we use this okay, tr command. I think you guys can speak. So let us know if you're having any okay doubts. Okay. Now the next command is okay CMP and okay diff, and along with okay CMP diff, we're also having COMM. So okay, for these three commands, okay, we need two files as an okay input, two files as an input. The name itself okay CMP diff and common. What we can achieve with okay these three commands are, if we are having a two identical files, assume that you are having two identical files, and okay, if you want to display the differences between those two files, if you want to display the differences between those two files, then okay, we can go ahead and okay use this okay CMP command. We can use this okay CMP command. So CMP diff and common. So CMP command will display the differences. It will display the differences with respect to the okay bytes, whereas okay diff command will display the differences. It compares the differences by line. Common command also the okay same functionality. So let's take it, I mean, for all these commands the syntax is CMP options okay file 1 and okay file 2. Similarly for okay diff, sdiff, and okay diff and okay common. For three commands and four commands, the behavior is okay same. If you go with okay diff also behaves the same way, and okay sdiff also behaves the same way, and common also behaves the same. So in Unix, if you're having a two identical files, I'm repeating two identical files, and if you want to get the differences, that we can able to achieve it by using the CMP diff and others. For example, so there is a requirement, you are already having a file. So for that file, you are going to make some modifications. So generally what we do, we take the backup of file after by using the cp command, cp-p source and okay destination. After that okay in a okay backup file, in the original file you make the changes. After some time, if you want to know that what are all the differences, what are the differences between the backup file and the modified file, we can use this okay diff or okay cmp. Or if you're having a two identical files, if you want to get the differences, that okay we can get okay by using these three commands. So let me okay, create okay couple of files. Okay, we're having this okay paste test1.txt, right? So now if you go with okay diff command, for example, if you go with okay CMP, so CMP hyphen hyphen okay help. So CMP hyphen hyphen okay help. So okay, I mean by default. So okay, for example, hyphen B means, so by okay as I told you that, so CMP command, so compare the two files byte by byte. So it's a byte by byte comparison. Bit means zero or okay one, we can call it a bit. So byte by byte, character by character it is. So we can also say that CMP command compare the file contents character by character, character by so character. So okay, the options are hyphen b, print only the okay different bytes, and hyphen I, ignoring the initial. So for example, okay, if you want to ignore the okay things, hyphen L means verbose, hyphen N means okay bytes limits. So okay, hyphen S means okay quiet, and okay majorly we don't go with that. So kbs and kilobytes. So for example, okay, if you go with okay the same, instead of okay cp, if you go with okay diff, diff okay cmp, if you go with okay cmp, now right now we don't have any differences, right now we don't have any okay differences. Now open this file and okay add okay now. So after A I'm trying to okay add. So okay BB. So this is the text okay you are going to modify it. So if you go with okay CMP command, so it will says that the pasted okay I mean between these two files okay between these two files where are the okay differences? Differences are in byte 17 line number okay 3. So byte 17 and line number okay 3. We don't know where it is. I mean for example from this file. For example if you go with okay cat command, so okay byte 17 means okay, 17th character 1 2 3. So 1 2 3 4 5 6 7. So 8 9 10 11 12 13 14. So okay here for example if you go with okay cat, so okay paste 2.txt, the differences are okay here right, it could be a 17th okay byte. So 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11 12 13 14 15. So spaces also, and okay, this is the 17th. So it's saying that there is a difference on okay file 1 at okay this okay line, but so it's very bit difficult to okay understand. So what are all the okay how the differences and all. So if you want to use okay hyphen L, it will display that okay all the differences. So hyphen L means to display all the differences. So line number okay I mean so byte number okay 17. So okay these are the okay differences. These are the okay differences 18, 19, 20, 21. So from 17th onwards everything is different. 17 okay from 17th onwards everything is okay different. Everything is okay different. So, but okay, it will be clearly says that byte by byte, okay, which means that this is the byte number and these are the differences. These are the byte numbers, and the file one, this is that position, and file two, this is the position, and you are trying to okay display. Whereas if you go with okay diff command, diff is one of the very okay friendly command. So where if you want to get the differences, if you want to get the differences, we can always go with the okay diff command. So it will clearly says that. So okay in the greater than I mean less than symbol represents. Let me add okay new data into okay this file also. So if you go with okay this file diff, it clearly says that. So it will try to compare the line by line. So line number one, okay here also line number one is line number one. There are no differences. Now 2A3, which means that okay 5C6. So okay, what is the meaning of okay this guy? For example, if you go with okay this, where are the changes? Okay, okay file number two at okay third position. So for example, third line. So greater than okay represents. So greater than okay represents. Okay, this is the line which is not available in. Okay, this is the file which is not available in. Okay, file one which is available on. So less than represents the okay less than represents the differences from file 2, greater than represents the differences on okay file 1. Ante less than means if the if in your output, so in your output if you see that okay great less than symbol, if you see the less than symbol, which means that this line is available on file 1 where which is not available on file 2. Greater than means this line is available on file 1 and okay, whereas it is not available on okay file 2. That is the intent of less than and okay greater than. So if you want to still get okay better differences, we can also use the okay sdiff. So if you go with sdiff, so side by side differences. So okay side by okay side okay differences. If you go with okay side by side differences, so it clearly okay says now. So the line number one there are no issues. Line number two is also correct. So line number three there is a differentiation on okay this is the different line on okay file 2, it mentioned as greater than. Now line number 4 right, so the line number 4 it is trying to match, and line number 5 and okay the line number okay 6 both are different, that's why it's specified as a pipe symbol. So here is also different and here also it is okay different. So if there are two identical files, if you want to compare the differences, we'll always use either diff or okay sdiff, but my preferable option is always sdiff command. Sdiff means side by side okay differences. So diff hyphen hyphen okay help. So we'll come to know the, so there are lot many options, but we don't use much. We always use okay this way. So hyphen s means report identical files. So okay, I mean hyphen c means output number. Okay, EV. All these are not that much okay needed. So if you want to ignore the case sensitive, we can also use okay hyphen I, and okay treat all files as a text. This and all not needed. So majorly okay we go with majorly we go with those are the okay, options what we use on okay diff command. So diff is also one of the very important command where if you want to compare the okay, two identical files, then okay, we can go ahead and okay, use this okay, diff command. And one more thing, I'm not going to explain 100% okay, functionalities of every command. So generally, okay, I mean after completion of this course, you will come to know what is this command, how it is going to okay, help, what are the main options. If you want to still learn more and more, you just simply execute diff hyphen hyphen help. So if I try to explain each and everything, it may take okay longer times. It may take a longer time to finish the okay course. It may take a longer time to okay finish the okay course. So I don't want to be in that situation. So that's why okay I'm trying to okay provide okay the details at okay high level. Provide details at okay high level. And okay, similarly, so okay, we're also having another command called okay common. So we're also having another command called common. So COMM. Just use the COMM. The COMM what it does means. So these are the, so okay file one and okay the file two. So okay it will display that okay I mean so the differences it will try to display common command okay, will display the common lines okay between okay common lines between three files. So this is okay field 1, then okay field 2, then field 3. It will says that, so okay I mean okay paste one okay this line is not available on okay file 2, that's why so the output is displayed on okay by default. So by default okay common command, so okay by default okay common command comm command displays three fields output. Okay, three okay fields okay output. Okay, field one contains the lines which are not in okay file 2, which are not in okay file 2. And okay whereas so if you go with okay field 2, okay field 2 contains, so okay field 2 contains the lines which are not available on okay file 1. And okay field 3 contains common lines between both of them, okay between both of them. This is the functionalities of this common command. So that's why, so if you go with okay common, for example comm, just okay mention okay hyphen 1. So okay comm, so okay, for example, if you just okay use okay 2, so okay you will only get the last line out. I mean okay here how it's going to okay display the output is the field 1. The field 1, this V145 line is not available on file 2. That's why it displayed it on okay field 1. And similarly these are the field 2. What are the field 2 here? So until here this is a field 1. Now this is a okay field 2. See in a field 2, so okay this is the field 2. So BB1 2 okay 1 2 okay 1 2 3 4 is not available on file 1. That's why it displayed on okay here. Similarly E5 6 7 8. Whereas okay the common lines are A1 2 3 4 is available on that line, that file, and this file, and this also, this also, and this also. So if you want to suppress the output of okay first field, we can use hyphen 1. So if you want to suppress the output of okay 2, so we can use this hyphen 1 2 means it will suppress the field 1 and field 2. You will only get the common line between two files. You will only get the common lines between okay two files. Simply if you go with okay comm, if you want to get the common lines between the two files, then okay we can use this okay comm command, comm hyphen hyphen okay help. So hyphen 1 means suppress the column 1. So lines unique, the same whatever I told. So check order, check the input is correctly sorted, even if all the input lines are okay pairable. So non-check order, output delimiter also if you are, you can also okay use this column 3 and this way. So this is one of the very okay useful option. So if you go with okay, if you want to check the order, we can also check the okay order as well. So hyphen check okay order. So check order also we can okay use it, but it's a default behavior. So you will get the same kind of okay output. So simply, so we'll always use this common command. So always use the common command. So the diff CMP and okay here common command we always use COMM hyphen okay 1 2. So then file name, so that okay we'll get the, so we will get okay exact differences. So common means common lines between two files, whatever the common lines are available between the two files, that okay will get it. That is the intent of COMM okay command.